Hi Leo, welcome to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a work and money read for you. So people have been requesting for a money read, and I said, why not? I mean, love and money are energies, right? We kind of manifest them in our lives. So let's see what's going to come up for my Leo for money and work for August. So let's begin here. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless Leo with a reading for money and work money and work for the month of August. Thank you. So Leo, let's begin here. Thank you all my subscribers. You've been very nice to me. Thank you, thank you. And if you're new here, do subscribe. We meet here every week for love readings, monthlies, mid-monthlies, and work and love now. So join us and we welcome you in. So Leo, let's see what's happening with my lions and lionesses in money and work. Page of Swords. Somebody's keeping a watch on you, Leo. Let's see. First card I have here is the Four of Wands. Hey, you seem to be in a great space, Leo. Should we shut this reading? I mean, this is your current energy. You seem to be in a pretty stable position at the moment. But let's see what happened in your past. King of Cups. Okay. And the Star. Leo, this reading, everything is good here. Oh, wow. It's nice to see a reading like this. So Spirit, I mean, there is a Four of Wands. I don't want to ask you why because I'm glad it's there. But any clarification on this, please? Let's spy on the Leos and see why they're so happy right now. Yes, they have. They've hoarded. Leo, all my lions, lionesses, you've been, in the past, I think you've been working hard. You've put in a lot of work. And whatever you have earned, I think you've invested it very well. Okay? And right now you are holding on to your pentacle and you're feeling rather stable. Very good, Leo. We should all take lessons from you. One second, too many cards. One card. So Leos are in a stable position, holding on to their pentacle very tight. Not arguing, not fighting with anyone, that there's no need because my life is totally happy and intact, and I'm no longer in the race to grab any more money or whatever. In the past I had maybe a great job and they paid me well and I had a great time and I've been smart about it and I have made good investments here. Very good, Leo. Yeah, right now you are not interested. You're not interested in kind of being seen as the best or you're fighting for anything. You're no longer in the race, it seems. Other people may be kind of trying to be one up or trying to earn more or get a better job. Leo, I see you not in the rat race at all. You seem to be rather okay. And yes, whatever said and done, you have worked very hard. You worked very hard to, gather all those pentacles. And now you are saying, okay, I'm all right. So let's see what's happening in August for you. In August, I have the Star. Wish fulfillment again. Right? That's sweet. So, Spirit, the Star for Leo, what does that signify? Letting go of anything that hurts you. You're not getting involved in anything, Leo. You have got your stability, you've got your money, you are very stable at this point, and you don't want to move towards anything that's going to hassle you anymore, give you any stress, give you any heartache, give you any pain, and again, Leo. This is your second time this card has fallen out, and this is in your August position. Wish fulfillment with stability. You are very stable and you're very happy and you're not heartbroken from any angle. I mean, who has Two cards of Four of Wands in three cards. Excellent. I'm so happy there's no trouble here. Oof. And it just kind of lifts my spirits. Okay, so what is it that you are holding on to or should hold on to? Spirit is saying, Leo, even though you find yourself maybe in a stable position and you're doing well, don't get, don't get into this place where you are feeling too proud. Okay, if there are more offers coming your way, right now don't be in this devil energy of saying, hey, I'm good and I don't need anything else, or any kind of pride or any whatever. Spirit is saying, yes, you are stable, but if there's any other offer coming your way, there is more work to be done here, Leo. Don't give up that soon. Right? Maybe you've reached a place where you become a bit complacent. Devil can represent a lot of things, and here from what I see in the cards could be referring to complacency, right? So Spirit is saying, no, yes, you're stable now, but don't stop working. I mean, it's going to serve you well. Make a choice here. Make a choice here to continue, even if it's small. Like, don't waste your time thinking, oh, all is good, I'm in a good place, I'm no longer going to work for my pentacle anymore, right? So what is it that you should let go of, Leo? Seven of Swords in reverse. Yeah, this is the same feeling, right? I've got all my swords and I've run away and I'm happy, and yes, look at me, all this harvest that I have now. I've accumulated so much in my life that I know I'm in a good space. But Spirit is saying, please let go of that feeling. You shouldn't be complacent in your life, because it adds to boredom. An idle mind is a devil's workshop, and that's maybe where you're going. Right? It's time to walk away from that feeling. It's time to walk away from feeling that I have nothing else to work for or live for. Yes, don't be in this devil energy, Leo. Idle mind, devil's workshop. So Spirit is saying, don't give up on work. Even though you have it all, even though you're stable, even though you have accomplished a lot, Spirit is saying, please walk away from that feeling that, yes, I have it all now, and I no longer want to I no longer want to work for it. Because, what happens, Leo, if you don't keep your mind active, sometimes it leads to health problems. And if or sometimes even, like I said, idle mind, you start gossiping or wasting your time. So Spirit is not recommending that at all for you. What's your biggest hurdle? Biggest hurdle this month is letting go of all this work that you've put in or whatever. I don't want to work for it anymore. Maybe I've worked very hard in the past, and I just want to be free now. I don't want to work anymore. Same thing. This is going to become a hurdle in your life, Leo. Don't be in that place where, you have to shut this feeling. This is going to be a hurdle if you close all chapters of, work life, of trying to earn or work or progress in life. Please keep a little balance in your life. That's what Spirit is saying. Keep a little balance. Make a choice of resting, relaxing, enjoying what you've accomplished, but also keep that balance of not dropping work altogether, right? And start a new chapter of something new. Maybe you give up your job and you're getting a fat whatever that thing comes from the government or your job where you're getting monthly money. But Spirit is saying, okay, start a new chapter, start something small, balanced, which will keep your mind occupied. Make that choice. Yes, this is how people see you. Leo, you are a lion, you're a lioness. You have so much potential. Right? People admire you for your go-getting energy. People look at you as, you can accomplish anything. You have fire. You are the life of every organization or any job or anything that you do in terms of money. You've always been a winner. This is how people see you. They admire you. They admire your strength. They admire your work ethic. So, yeah, and they see you walking away. See? They see you as this. Okay, they see that you can accomplish a lot, but they see you running away now and saying, hey, I've done my bit, I don't want to work anymore, tata, bye bye, and I'm going to go maybe sit by the beach now and do nothing. Maybe that's what you've been telling your friends and family, and that's the way they see you too. So let's take one more card. How do people see Leo? Yes, people are noticing that, the further you're going away from your work, this is your card, Leo, the strength card. You're going to lose your strength. So not only is this reading telling you that, not only are the angels and spirit telling you that, people around you are also noticing that you're going to get complacent and you're going to lose your strength. Okay, which can mean a lot of things. It can mean your health, it can mean your mental space. So people are very much, maybe you've been telling your close friends and family, and they are, also thinking the same thing, that this Leo should not just sit down and do nothing because they have so much potential. And if they sit down and just watch Netflix all day, maybe their cholesterol level is going to go up with all the chips and wafers they're going to eat. So let's see what is Spirit's secret message to you now, Leo. Page of Cups in reverse. So, Spirit, why is Page of Cups in... Yes, Spirit says, if you don't accept any offers, Leo, this is a warning. If you don't accept any offers which will be brought to you, or you don't go out and, offer your work to maybe whatever you want to do or what people want you to do, it's going to lead to a tower moment. It's going to lead to a tower moment. If you spend too much time, socializing and partying and doing whatever, it can have negative effects. Okay? So don't do that, and don't reject any offer that, can come your way, which can get you out of this 100% party mode. Okay, if you continue partying and enjoying yourself too much, it can lead to something which will not be very nice for you. So keep your mind and body active, and not just active as in going to the gym, but even mentally healthy. So don't give up on work right now, Leo. Even if you don't need the money, just continue doing something which will keep you and your mind active and healthy. Yes, make steady progress. Make steady progress. You don't have to work extra hard because, like I've seen, you're stable. You don't need the money maybe, but steady progress, and look deeper. It's going to give you so much awards and rewards of not just collecting pentacles, but also towards your health and happiness and meeting intelligent people in your life. Right? So make steady progress, continue doing something which is healthy. Alright? So that's all I have for you, Leo. Congratulations. You seem to be one zodiac who's done a great job with their collection maybe of your pentacles and being stable. But continue maybe just to, social service, anything that will keep you healthy and happy and out there. So love and light, take care of yourself, do leave a thumbs up if this worked for you, and namaste. I'll see all of you very soon.